Samantha's going to give you a telephone number to ring, okay? On our old telephone. See if you can manage it. Go on, Sam.
Right, O. 7. 9.
'How did you work that out to be 9?
3. 2. 8. 'Can I just say though, to ring you need to pick the handle up, otherwise it won't ring.
You're going to ring my phone number now, yeah?
Yeah.
My mobile, go on then, go for it.
They said please check and dial again.
You've done it wrong.
What? Why does it take so long?
You got it wrong again.
How?
What have you done?
It's every time I get to the floor.
You doing it again?
Yeah.
She wants to do it.
Go on then. Oh,
Stop! It didn't say anything.
Your number hasn't been recognised. Please try again. The number you have dialed has not been recognised. Please dial again. You know what? I could do this. Oh, and it's ringing, Daddy.
ring that phone.
Ring it. Hold on then.
Yeah, ring that phone.
You answer that phone then, Layla. Hang on. Hang on, no, not yet. You can't wait for me to ring.
Hello? Can you hear me?
He's eating this off. Why is